Welcome to, well, the first one of these videos of this type that I've ever made. I guess you could call it a collective recommendation of all the StickVacs that I've tested to date. Now, there is an honorable mention here because there is one missing, and it is a Dyson V7 motorhead. So that one I was borrowing from an entity, and I don't actually happen to own that one. So when we get up to that one, I'll just kind of say, and that would fit in between these two machines. So I've got 10 machines right here, and let's start out with the machines that are at the lowest level for carpet cleaning performance. And you know, before I go any further, I realize that the vast majority of people getting StickVacs don't get them for pile carpet cleaning performance. They get them for bare floor cleaning performance. And all of these machines do an adequate job with bare floor cleaning. I mean, every single one does. Now, there are some exceptions when you get to unusually large particles, like say, for example, dog food, breakfast cereal, anything that's, you know, unusual. But for some people, that's what they get a StickVac to actually clean up. So they spill large debris on their linoleum, on their marble, on their whatever it is, and that's what they want to, you know, get a StickVac for. If that's the case and you're looking for recommendations for bare floor, then take a look at the playlist for each one of these machines and you'll see the bare floor performance. Okay, so starting at the most entry level, that is pickup performance wise, and that is, for people new to my channel, the whole house carpet cleaning results. So general debris on medium pile carpet like what these are sitting on right now. So we have, holding up the rear, a PrettyCare W100. Moving up, we have a Zoker A10 Pro. Next to that, we have a Green Note GSC 40. And then we have the first of three MOOSOOs, a K17 Pro, and then this a big blue dot one, big round blue dot, is a MOOSOO XL618A. We have an older Dyson DC35. I think this one's from 2013. So see how well an older Dyson does? Next we have, yeah, I know, it says my name, doesn't it? We have a Vaclab X11 Pro, and no, it's not actually my machine, it's just a name issue, I guess. And then we have another MOOSOO, it's the S2. We have a Kyvol, this is the only Kyvol I've tested, and it's a V20. And then the top of the line one, the one that literally wins everything, is this Dreametech T10. Now, it's also the most expensive machine that I've tested, and there's a couple of reasons why this Dreametech actually wins. One is it's got a brush roll comb. I have to turn the brush roll over for you to see it. You can see it in another video. But all the long hair that my wife has gets properly picked up and deposited in the bin. Therefore, it increases the score. So, gee, that kind of wins. Most of the other brush rolls featured here, you got to pick it out of the brush roll. And the Dreametech also has the choice of 3 speeds instead of a typical 2. So you can run it in its medium power, and guess what? Get a little higher airflow than those machines that just have 2 speeds. The Kyvol is also somewhat similar to the Dreametech in that it has 3 speeds, and when I did the whole house carpet cleaning test, it was run on the medium speed. So you have a wide variety of machines here that you can take a look at. Some are probably more available than others. Of course, the DC35's, you know, long gone unless you want to get it used. But take a peek at all my whole house carpet cleaning results, and you will see that there is a large difference between the PrettyCare that picked up 1.93 grams versus the Dreametech that picked up 4.89. Now that's extracted amounts. So what that means is, to kind of wrap this video up, is between the most entry-level machine and the best machine, the difference was 250% in pickup. That means that the Dreametech picked up 2.5 times general carpet debris compared to the Pretty Care. So hopefully somewhere in this video you will see my spreadsheet pop up and you can go and pause that and take a look at it. But I just wanted to go and sum these up for 2021. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.